Hi everyone, welcome to Skillful Teacher channel. I'm John, and in this tutorial, I guide you through the process of installing Java 17 on a Windows computer. Java is a widely used programming language, and having the latest version installed is crucial for developers and anyone running Java applications. And if you get any value from this video tutorial, kindly consider subscribing, like the video, and share it with your friends. Java 17 is the latest long-term support version of Java, and before we begin, make sure you have administrator privileges on your Windows computer to install software. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official Oracle Java website using the link oracle.com/in/java/technologies/downloads, and on the link select JDK 17. And once you select JDK 17, select Windows. And once you select Windows, you have a listing of the files that you can be able to download from the official page for Java 17. And we are going to make use of the zip archive file. And once you are on this particular page, just click on Java 17 download. Alright, so once the download is ready, just have it in the location where you can be able to easily access it and extract its content. So we are going to extract its content, and I'm going to extract this one in the current working directory. So I'll be able to have JDK 17.09, and if I open this particular folder, I'd have the bin folder, the conf folder, and other folders which you'll be able to learn as you proceed. Now the next thing that you're going to do is to set the system environment variables to point to JDK 17.09. And to do this, we need to make use of the system environment variables, and that can be accessed using this PC. So select this PC, right click and select properties. And once you select on properties, you'll be able to have a section for advanced settings for Windows 11 and Windows 10. So it will be able to be under advanced system settings. Click that and you'll be presented with a small window which is trying to make use of the environment variables. And within this, you're going to click environment variables. And the first thing that you're going to do is to have our Java home set and pointing into the current directory that we extracted our content. And to do so, you're going to click on the system variables section and click the new button. With this, we are going to do set java underscore home. And within this, we are going to browse the directory to which we have extracted our content. And I'm going to select this PC and go and select the JDK 17.09 folder. Once this is done, then we'll be able to have our Java home pointing to the JDK 17.09. The next thing that we are going to do is to add the executable from the Java bin directory to be available on the path. And to do so, we're going to select the path variable and click edit. And from here, you're going to add a new entry for the Java executable. To add a new entry, we are going to click new, and then to reference it to the previous variable, we are going to make use of %sign with Java underscore home %sign. And after this, you are going to do / bin directory. And click OK, click OK, and click OK. So once all this is done, you are going to go to the next step. To verify the installation, we are going to open our command prompt and run the command java -version and click enter. And this will be able to give us information that we have correctly installed Java in our Windows machine. And in case we require any additional information about the Java executable commands, then we can do java -help. And this one will give us a list of documentation of the various arguments that can be adjusted to get more other information or to perform other operations. If you encounter any issues, kindly consider the following. Ensure that the Java home environment variable points to the correct Java 17 installation directory. Secondly, double check that there are no conflicting Java installation that might interfere. If the Java version command doesn't return the expected result, review your installation and environment variables. For advanced users, you can also configure your IDE to use the new Java installation. In summary, we have successfully installed Java 17 on your Windows system. And at the same time, we have verified the installation using the command java --version. And you are now ready to make use of Java in your applications with the latest Java version. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to leave the comments below. Keep tuned. Explore my other tutorials and follow me on social media for updates. Till next time, bye bye.